Hey, ILNP Cosmetics, you're in Amazon, but are you the brand they click or the one they skip? I was checking out your blue violet nail polish listing and I wanted to do a quick breakdown for you. But first, congrats on your 4.6 star rating and your Amazon's Choice badge. I know just how competitive this category is, so earning both tells me that your product is already doing a lot of things right. My name is Jewel, a business development representative from my Amazon guy, and I just wanted to share a few ideas that your team might want to explore for improvement. So, in this video, I'll be sharing tips on improving your SEO, traffic, and conversion rate. So, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about traffic. And what drives traffic to your listing comes down to your keywords. And looking at your distribution here, I can see you're already running ads for 2,000 while organically indexing for 7. And this is good because you're leveraging both your SEO and PPC to boost traffic and conversions. But you can still improve this as there are still thousands of additional keywords you can index for. And you can check out this word cloud as this highlights some of the strongest keyword opportunities in your listing. Also, one strategy we often recommend here is the golden ratio of 2 to 1. That is, for every two organics, we aim to have one paid keyword for a healthy balance between paid visibility and organic growth over time. Down here, you will find the highest search keywords in your category sorted by search volume. So right now, we're looking at your biggest traffic opportunities. And as you can see, you're already ranking organically for a lot of these relevant keywords that shoppers actually search for. But if you notice though, most of your rankings are still in pretty high positions. Now take a look at nail polish with 300 over 300,000 searches. You're in triple digits, same as quick dry nail polish at 153. Now, these triple digits suggest that your product is still buried deep in the search results, so people still can't find you. But we can help you push these rankings up, ideally into single digits, because that's where most clicks and sales happen. Let's take a look at another. Um, to give this some context, let me show you how big your category is in Amazon. And just in the top 50 listings on the keyword phrase nail polish alone, there is $22 million in monthly revenue, and the top sellers are averaging almost 300 grand monthly. And I see that there's still plenty of market share available here that you can tap into. So for this ASIN specifically, you were able to sell 26,000 units, generating over $300,000, which is above the category average. So nicely done there. Now, the next step for you guys is to level up even more because competitors are always catching up. And we can help you continuously grow your market share by tightening your SEO and defending your rankings with smarter PPC. Let's take a look at another brand here. This is from OPI, but just to clarify, we are not comparing products here at all. I know there may be differences. Price wise, you are at a level field, but I wanted to show you how they strategize on their keywords and see how we can benefit from them. This brand was able to sell 42,000 units. That's compared to your 26,000. And looking at their distribution here, so you can see that they're actually they're actually organically indexing for more keywords, 8,200 compared to your 7,000. And that usually means that their listing is better optimized and getting more clicks. That's why their sales are higher. Now we can help you find the same kind of opportunities here. We can look at your strike zone keywords. So these are the ones in rank 20 through 50, and you've got 999 keywords there that don't move the needle much because they're at the bottom of page one. And what we want is to move them up to the top 10 rankings by optimizing your listing and supporting them with targeted ads. And speaking of ads, we can also help you with advertising here, making sure we are targeting relevant keywords and not overspending. Moving on to your product detail page. So one thing I noticed is that your title is currently over Amazon's new character limit. So starting July 27th, Amazon may automatically shorten this, which could impact some of the keywords you're currently indexing for. Now there is a new item highlight section though that gives extra space to call out important keywords. So that may help offset some of the keywords you missed or lost from the title. So you may want to look into that. I see you've got your bullet points though, but you can still maximize this up to 200 characters each, or no, sorry, 500 characters each, and make sure you also update them regularly because SEO is never set and forget. Main image here is on a white background. Feature photos are there, lifestyle images. Um, you're missing your infographics though, detailing the product as well as feature photos or demographic images showing us your customer avatar as they're proven to boost conversions in Amazon. But good job on the videos. Down below, I see you guys have your A plus content. So nice work utilizing large images, adding a product grid module. Text in photos can't be read by Amazon's algorithm, so you can incorporate 500 to 1,000 words of copy here to use your SEO and index more. I see you've got your brand story, so good job adding clickable links here. So yeah, those are just a few of the many things we can do for your brand. And if you want to know more, you can book a free consultation with us using the book a call button at the end of this video. You'll speak with an Amazon expert, learn more about our services, and get a personalized recommendation based on your goals and budget. My Amazon Guy is a full service Amazon agency managing all pillars of Amazon. So whether you're losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data backed strategies that deliver real results. Thanks for watching and have a good one.